The following contest is your main event of the afternoon. And it will be an XCW Championship match. Introducing first. He is the self-proclaimed best in the universe. And the current #1 contender for the XCW Championship. The fan favourite, Switchblade. And his opponent. He is the reigning and defending XCW champion, Chase. Place a belt.
For the XCW Championship. Oh my.
And this is
Okay, can I have that back, please? Thank you.
now
The new XCW Champion, the best in the universe, Switchblade. But isn't that self-proclaimed? The net.
just like you're a self-proclaimed man, Chase. Wait, I said that out loud.
Alright, better than how guys know the rules. Do I though? Do I really?
Apparently it's street fight, but okay.
I don't think.
You might have amnesia, so get on the way.
Oh, it's starting? Ding ding ding!
Well, you are wrestling, Chase. You are champion, Chase. Fucking get your pay right. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You can laugh.
Ow! Quit punching me!
Well,
Rude.
that's called a roof chase. Careful.
Oh!
Oh, come on, hit him properly.
Shut up, oh! Oh! Oh, fuck off.
Catches him in the side of the head with a kendo stick. What's he doing?
Yeah.
Break his arm with a kendo stick.
No! You wanna quit? No! You wanna quit? No! Ah! Die! Oh!
Interesting way to break out of...
Taste out of his mouth.
Very good.
You're in the middle of a street fight for the championship and you're worried about your fucking hair.
I feel like it's not in place.
Devon Cash needs to fire this man.
Devon Cash. It's Devon Cash.
Oh! Ah!
Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh!
Did the fan just throw their hair into the ring? They fucking did. I hope it's not a I hope it's not a merkin. I hope it's not being whipped by someone's pubic hair. Now he's playing with someone else's merkin. Why?
Please, what? What bitch? Oh!
He just low blowed the
Switchblade
champ.
of all, baby!
He just low blowed the champ. Face plant. We get up a new champion.
1, 2.
Oh, he was a second away from being finally silencing Chase.
Shove it down his neck! Make it a fireball!
I will. Fail, bitch! Oh!
Full parts closed.
He just smacked him over the... He threw that over the fence.
You took out a fan, you asshole!
He threw... Almost threw it over the fence and damaged.
Fuck, where's insurance?
We don't have insurance. Don't throw shit at the fucking commentator. Please.
Commentators
Fucking
lied.
science does he want to throw it? I know, he broke a nail. He's going to spend 6 months on a friggin' call an ambulance. He broke a nail.
We were.
We were.
Oh my balls. Shit.
Wait, Chase has balls?
Yes, Chase has balls.
No. Please don't. Oh, right. Knees. Into the spine, into the head.
How about that, CJ?
I'm getting out of the way.
How about that?
Someone... This is going to be cross arm breaker. I think he really wants to humiliate the shoulder, the injured shoulder. A month removed.
Rip it off and beat him with it. Come on.
That was a dislocated shoulder.
What?
He's trying to overpower me.
Switchblade has an opportunity. He has an opportunity to become the best in the business and cement his legacy as best in the universe if he can beat Chase.
I got a sports bet on him. I got high money on him.
And the ref is now going to get fired for
No!
what? What? You're going to break his arm. What? What?
Let's get
Why? It's a championship match. He's ruining it.
Plan B. Oh!
Wait. Wait. Wait, is this? It's CJ Click come to even the odds. They're coming to even the odds. Helping out Switchblade, getting rid of the nightmare John Evans.
What the fuck?
Asshole.
Oh, god damn it.
What's this? Switchblade going after the knee, potentially the injured knee of the champion, Chase. It has been hectic. Bodies flying everywhere. I'm not sure how to commentate on this one.
Do you know how to commentate on this one? The champ's got this, alright?
Well,
No matter
if you
what, the
take a
champ's
look at
got
him,
this.
he's about to get his face planted into a chair. What do you call
There is
that?
always a
Mr.
plan.
Dux?
There is always a plan.
Where's your hair
I'm
now?
an elite strategist. There is always a plan. Plan C didn't work. There's still a plan in place.
It looked like a plan now because your champ's getting his ass handed to him.
Trust me, would Duke's like you?
No comment. Oh, the curb stomp. This could be it. We got a new champ, Dooks.
1, 2.
Oh, God damn it, he kicked out.
He knows I wouldn't let that beat me. So he won't let that beat him. Simple, really. That's better.
1, 2.
Faster.
Switchblade kicks out. Switchblade's still in it.
You want to be ejected?
Yes, please.
Actually, you know what? Fuck off.
He just got it.
You've been
Hooray!
No.
Dooks has been ejected.
No.
Dooks has been ejected.
So Tana.
Get out of here, dudes!
No.
That's bullshit!
And now it's a fair fight. And now Chase has to defend the title fairly. Ref, get in there.
1, 2.
He's quick counting. Run out, Dooks. He's quick counting. He's got an opportunity.
Right now!
He has an opportunity to silence his critics and become champion. Britney Spears. Britney Spears.
1, 2.
And he kicked out. Dooks was ejected. Dooks was supposed to be ejected. Why is he still here?
Go on.
He was supposed to be ejected. What's he spraying him with? Someone fire that man. He was ejected. Don't let it end like this. Oh God, no. What is this? What's he doing?
Leave the chair.
Don't let it end like this.
1, 2.
The dirty son of a bitch has done it again.
Ding, ding.
He was supposed to be ejected. He ruined the title match. Fire that man. Strip him of the title.
Isn't this poetic justice?
Switchblade had that match won. Switchblade had that match won. I call shenanigans. Shenanigans.
Again, you cheated.
Don't know what he's talking about.
You know what? You get your little boys behind you. Next show, you two against us two. You're probably asking who? This man.
Are we even...
He's gonna have one hell of a fight next event. It's not gonna be ANC and it's not gonna be Generation Click. Either way, it's gonna be better than your fucking entourage.
How rude. Rude. Yeah, you don't come in here and say it to my face.
Follow them.
Follow it, yeah, let's follow it.
Oh no, please don't do that. I'm
Wait.
security.
I've been told to follow these
What is
guys.
going on? You need to like stay in your own fucking lane instead of getting involved in my shit.
You ruined the title match.
Yeah. Next event. Right?
Click, don't you think we're getting old? I mean, I would love to just push it in your face. It's getting a little old. And you, with your little shitty crap, you want to sit there and say all
What's this? Who the hell are these two? Who? What? What? Who's this guy? I'm so confused. Someone arrest that man.
What the fuck?
Did you just DDT him on the concrete?
Are you okay, Flint? I'm here for you. Let's go. We didn't do this.
I've always got a plan.
What the fuck's going on, Eddie? Where's Devon Cash? No one cares for Devon Cashew. What have you done? We? That's not a fucking match. Do you think I'm in any fucking...
That's what happens when you put Duxie in a cage.
Let's go. You just sit on your fun
worth
ass
your
for
time.
your drum too or whatever. I'm the champion. I don't have to worry about this.
That was the worst champion. He screwed Switchblade out of the championship.
No!
You fucking did. You fucking did. I hope Hellhammer kills
One,
you.
2, 3, I won!
I fucking hope Hellhammer kills you.
I'll have a shit!
Cameraman lives matters.